Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. In this video, you're going to hear two friends talking about the differences about pumping gasoline between British English and American English. Listen carefully and answer the question, what does Matthew want to buy from the convenience store at the gas station?
Wow, these roads are so wide. Driving in America is really different from driving in Britain.
I know. Everything here is bigger. Roads, cars, parking lots, even the coffee cups.
Oh, hang on.
What's wrong?
The fuel lights just come on.
Uh-oh.
It looks like we need to find a petrol station soon.
A what?
A petrol station?
Matthew, you're in America now.
Oh, right.
Here, we don't usually say petrol. We call it gasoline, or most of the time, just gas.
Gas?
Yep,
Even though it's a liquid?
exactly.
That's wonderfully confusing.
You'll get used to it.
So, I should say we need a...
Gas station.
not a petrol station?
Exactly.
You know, before you explained that, whenever I heard Americans talking about a gas station, I imagined a place where people paid their natural gas bills.
Seriously?
Honestly, I pictured people lining up with utility bills.
Well, technically you probably could pay a gas bill somewhere nearby.
But hopefully they also sell gasoline.
Otherwise, we'd have a very short road trip.
All right then, let's find a gas station before this car starts complaining.
There's a Shell just 2 miles ahead.
Perfect. Wait, $6.20?
What?
$6.20 for fuel?
Yeah.
Per litre? I'm going back to Britain.
Relax. It's not per liter.
It's not?
Nope. In America, we buy gas by the gallon, not the liter.
Oh.
1 gallon is about 3.8 liters.
Well, that makes much more sense. For a second, I thought we'd need to sell the car just to fill it up.
You're being dramatic.
Just a little. Now, I'm confused again. The buttons say 87, 89, and 91. Back home, we have 95, 97, and 99. Did America lose a few numbers?
No, they're just different rating systems.
So, which one do we use?
Think of it like this. American 87 is roughly the same quality as British 95. American 89 is similar to British 97, and American 91 is close to British 99.
So, they're different numbers, but basically the same quality?
Exactly.
That's actually much easier than I expected. Which one does our Toyota SUV need?
Just 87 regular. It's also the cheapest one.
Music to my ears. Nothing happens. Is this pump broken?
Nope. You forgot the most important step.
Which is?
In the UK, people normally pump first and then walk inside the shop to pay. But in the US, you have to pay first.
Ah, that is a little bit inconvenient.
In America, there are usually two ways. You can pay at the pump using an American debit card or credit card, or you can pay inside at the counter with cash or a card.
Well, seems easy enough.
Since I have an American debit card, we'll just pay right here. Now, try again.
Well, there we go. Success!
Congratulations! You've officially learned how to buy gas in America.
One new life skill unlocked. Hold on. This is a gas station?
Yep.
It's enormous. Back home, petrol stations usually have convenience stores too, but they're much smaller than this.
American gas stations are almost like mini supermarkets.
I can see that. They've got snacks, drinks, coffee, ice cream, car supplies, and is that fried chicken?
Yup. Many American gas stations sell hot food. Some have fried chicken, pizza, hot dogs, burritos, breakfast sandwiches.
You're telling me I came here expecting gasoline and found lunch instead?
Exactly. And look over there.
Wow, I've never seen so many drinks in one place.
Americans love having lots of choices. Different sodas, energy drinks, sports drinks, iced coffees, tea, juice, sparkling water. You could spend 10 minutes just deciding what to drink.
I believe it. This drink aisle is longer than some grocery stores back home.
Maybe a tiny exaggeration, but not by much.
You know what? All this food is making me hungry.
I was thinking the same thing.
Let's grab some fried chicken before we get back on the road.
Great idea. Should we get some drinks too?
Definitely. Road trips always taste better with snacks.
That's the most American thing you've said all day.
I'm adapting surprisingly quickly.
Next thing you know, you'll be calling it gas instead of petrol.
Let's not get carried away. I'll say gas in America and petrol when I get back home.
Deal.
Now, let's rescue that fried chicken before someone else does.
Have you found the answer? Let me mention the question one more time. What does Matthew want to buy from the convenience store at the gas station? If you know the answer, please leave it in the comment section. If you'd like to see more video like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.